I have 3 words there's for my vision for this, and that's one-stop shop. We're looking every day to sort of say, well, can we manage this with Limble? Yes or no? And 95% of the time it's been, yes, we can. My name is Micah, and I am the Mountain Operations Maintenance Coordinator for Panorama Mountain Resort. Most of our maintenance was paper-based. All our equipment, particularly ski lifts, was being inspected daily. There was just no record of it. So we had to come up with a way to prove what we were doing, and I was researching for them a few products. They wanted hours-based tracking, and they wanted to be able to assign jobs to people, and they wanted to make up work orders, and we tried the ski hill one, and yeah, it was great. Just didn't quite do what we wanted to do though, because at this point we started to realise we don't just have to use this for lifts. We had a couple of products, and we were down to Limble and one other, and what it came down to for us was that Limble had this API integration that allowed us to do a lot more than what the other products did. So we went from having no maintenance management system to basically overnight having all the managed maintenance system we could ask for. When we pushed go on Limble, we did a 3-hour session in our boardroom with our staff. Gave them all tablets and mobile devices and said, here, look, here's Limble, this is what you're going to be using. It was really good to sort of see them play with it and sort of get on board and feel like they had some input, and they did, because it 100% about them using it. What was it? 47.3. It's easy to use, it's intuitive, it didn't take them long to pick it up.
I'm using it every day since we started using it. To be honest, I've never been like a very big on technology before. Limble's really straightforward.
One of the things that some of the supervisors like as well, I can very quickly see what hasn't been done today. But the one thing they did really like, it was easy to use. I actually built this lift on the map. Anytime we want to try a new feature, we use this lift as a trial. I put all the towers in, I built the lift line, I even built the station. But I also like the fact you can tap on it and it'll actually bring the asset up as well. So currently we are managing lifts, vehicle management and vehicle maintenance. That's now mostly implemented with Limble. Snowmaking maintenance, so maintenance of all our snowmaking equipment and plant, and then our high voltage power utility, that's definitely going in there. Made great plans for that one. So this is a grip shop. A mechanic will be looking in here for things like wear grooves and whatnot. And these are the things that, like this particular maintenance is heavily regulated because it's got quite a big safety aspect to it. And so a record of inspection is super, super important. Here's the form right here. This is where it started. It was these forms here. This is basically where it all began.
Yeah.
Yeah, the paper document, lots and lots and lots and lots of paper. And this is just for one grip. And so you can imagine that the amount of paper that would be generated for doing all of it. The automation's great. That's probably the part I like the most. Every day I don't have to print out papers and say this is your task for today. Everything is automatically assigned. And we set a schedule and say, yes, for the duration of the season, I want a daily generated every day, and I want it given to the lift maintenance team. I don't have to go and allocate it, it's already done. Limble is my tool of trade, basically. It's my preferred tool of trade, also, actually. It doesn't help me keep my office clean, but it definitely makes my life a lot easier, that's for sure.